All right, we got a beautiful Rockwood right here, all fiberglass exterior. Wait till you see this. Beautiful awning. Tires are excellent. But wait till you see this. Slide toppers. Ooh. This is a nice RV right here. This is how they should be made. Sofa sleeper. Got a nice entertainment center, fireplace. So you got a nice dinette over here. It turns into a sleeper. But look at this. Beautiful kitchen. Oh, cold AC. 2 air conditioners. But look at all this room. You get a wardrobe, 3 slides. This is an RV you can live in. What a beauty. Free shipping, free delivery. We inspect them all. This is a beauty.